To add images in Squarespace. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Squarespace website. Once there, log into your account dashboard and select the website where you want to add images. Click on the page where you want to add the image, and you will see an Add button. Click on this to access various options, including the ability to add a gallery or block. In the block section, you can choose from options such as text, image, video, or audio, and select Image to proceed. You can then upload an image from your device by clicking on the plus sign or edit button and selecting the file you want to add. Alternatively, you can link to an image, and once it's uploaded, you can customize its design. After uploading, you can toggle through various design options to get your image looking the way you want.